And with everything going as planned, there's our first view of the Progress 71 cargo craft, unpiloted, honing in automatically for its link up to the aft port of the Zvezda service module. Progress and the station currently flying over the South Pacific, about to begin a southwest to northeasterly swing that will carry the two craft up the east coast of South America and off the west coast of Africa on this particular orbit of the Earth.
Is displayed as well.
Again, a good view of the Progress 71 cargo craft as it slowly but surely approaches the International Space Station. It is conducting a series of pre-programmed impulse burns, as they are called, small mid-course correction burns of its engine to fine-tune its approach to the correct orientation that will enable it to begin the fly around to the station a short time from now. Approaching the west coast of South America, just about to cross the Chilean border, the Progress 71 cargo craft in the final furlong of its two-day journey to reach the International Space Station.
Range 350, consistent with the image. Slight roll back and forth on the monitor.
This view again from the Progress external television camera showing the Russian segment of the International Space Station.
Продолжаем автоматический облет.
The approach of the Progress to the station and its fly around just about nulled out for a short period of station keeping. That'll come at a range of about between 180 and 200 meters away from the station. Everything proceeding in great shape. The Progress systems operating as advertised.
Range 215, rate -1. Fly around continues, but almost complete. I see the docking port centering on the VKU monitor. Yeah, we see that. Copy.
An excellent view of the thrusters on the Progress resupply ship, firing as they are intended to null out the final moments of the fly around and create a moment or two of station keeping to enable the Russian flight controllers here in Korolyov to assess the precise alignment of the forward docking probe on the Progress with the aft port of the Zvezda service module.
0.7 meters per second. We are continuing and completing the fly around on the roll angle. Yeah, we are seeing and confirming roll maneuver.
Sergey,
get ready to send the final approach command from the...
Progress now in a pre-programmed roll maneuver that's designed to provide the correct orientation of its power-producing solar arrays for the initiation of final approach that will set us up for a docking that is scheduled about 14 minutes from now or sooner if everything proceeds as so far has occurred.
Есть завкон.
Station keeping confirmed.
Сергей, выдаем причал с ПУБПС.
Sergey, go ahead and activate BPS initial and then send the final approach command from the BPS control panel. Copy. Operational mode has been sent. LEDs confirm that, and I'm ready to copy. I'm ready to send final approach. I'm ready to send F44 display. Done. Final approach confirmed. Deactivate operational mode in work and done. Rate is accelerating. -4. Rate is 170.
And so the Russian flight controllers perfectly happy with the orientation of the Progress vehicle that you see here in view from the truss cameras on the space station. The automated command has been issued for final approach that will enable the Progress to come in for its docking to the aft port of the Zvezda service module a few minutes from now. Progress now closing in on the 100-meter mark, closing at a rate of 0.6 of a meter per second. Everything continues to go as smooth as can be.
-0.6 is the rate.
110 минус 06.
110 and -0.6. Copy all.
Less than 50 meters now separating the two craft.
Range on VACO is still 42. It's about 30 per the measurements, and 30 meters per the laptop, and -0.15 for the laptop reading. I'm ready to perform the steps at the range of 30 meters. You are go to put the 30-meter activities into work.
You can see the docking target almost in perfect alignment with the Progress docking probe through this cross-haired view. Inside 10 meters, moving at a very slow and steady rate of about 1/10 of a meter per second.
Approaching 7-meter mark. Two squares is the target size, and we're at about 5 meters foot range right now.
2 клетки 6 метров.
2 meters, 2 squares 6 meters. It's above and to the right, and it's approaching the center.
Progress just about there as we stand by for contact and capture of the International Space Station.
3 meters. Continuing final approach.
3 метра.
Copy, 3 meters. Almost there. Standing by for contact. Target is in the center. Crosshairs are aligned.
Contact confirmed, capture confirmed, docking confirmed at 10:28 p.m. Moscow time, 1:28 p.m. Central Time, 2:28 p.m. Eastern Time. As Progress on the International Space Station flew 252 miles over Algeria. Progress's journey now complete.